Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be taking a look at HomeYard's Wi-Fi strips. These are dimmable using the Google or the Amazon Assistant. They have app control, you can use the remote, and then they also have music sync, which is really cool. I believe these retail for about less than $30. I don't remember the price, but it is pretty good for the money. On the back of the box we have RGB 5050. The methods to control it are the app, the control box, and the 24 key remote. This is a 32.8 foot strip. It's 12 volt rated, 24 watts, and that's everything else. Let's get into it. First, you're greeted with a thank you card. It just tells you you have 1 year warranty and 29% off of your next purchase. And then you just contact them to get that claim code, I believe. Right here we have a user manual with very clear instructions on how to set them up. You can cut them, they are not waterproof, how to install them, and how to set them up in the app. So the app you need to download is right there. It is called Smart Life. So next we have the power adapter and the little switch, which is really cool. So you can place this somewhere if you lose your remote or something, or you just want it to be specifically only white. For whatever reason, you have a little on and off switch, which is actually pretty cool. And this power adapter is 12 volts, 0.6 amps. A 24 key remote, which has a on-off brightness adjuster, RGBW, 12 colors, flash, strobe, fade, and music. I believe everything in here is pretty much handcrafted by this company, and I don't know if it's a new company, but it is really good. So here are the RGB strips. So they come in two 16.4 foot reels. I opened this previously, I connected them, and it is kind of hard to take this off. It's a really tight, secure fit. Anyways, to set them up, pretty much all you have to do, just arrow to arrow, basically put it in like this, good to go. I did it for the other one too, so both arrow to arrow. And then also it tells you to download the app. This is the control box. It has a little microphone, a button right here, which can change the colors directly, which is pretty cool. IR receiver, as well as the power. And plug in power. So like I said, you can just use the control box, and then you can just click it. You can control it like that. And then right here, you have the switch, turn it on or off. It is a pretty instant. It takes about like a second to turn on. Not big of a deal, but to turn it off, it's really good. Which allows you to change the colors as well. So you turn it on and off, red, green, blue, white, and then you have orange, different colors here. You also have flash, which flashes between different colors. You have strobe, which is like kind of like a fast fade. You have a fade, which basically just fades in and out of different colors. And then you have a music mode, which like I said, is right here. So when it'll go off from that and the beat to the music, which is really cool. So that is pretty much all. And then you also have the app, like I said, user manual, and I mentioned in this video, it's Smart Life. I already have it downloaded and I connected it. I'm just gonna show you what it looks like and how other different modes you can use. The app, Smart Life, it's gonna download it. It is on iOS and Android. Right. So just go ahead and open the app. I'll ask you to do several things. You have to accept them. You can if you want to. I recommend it. It'll be easier. Right here I have them set up already. But I'm going to show you really quickly how to set them up. Just press the plus, go to lighting, and then it's in strip lights, the second one, strip lights Wi-Fi. Or you could just auto scan and then it'll configure via Wi-Fi. So that's pretty easy. And then you just go ahead and click the strip. You can rename it on the top. You can turn it on, and then you can change it to different colors of white. You can go on the top and do different colors of the color spectrum. So you have music mode, which like I said, it's on here, and then you have read, working, leisure, soft, colorful, dazzling, gorgeous, all that. And then you can edit them, so you can do different colors, and then you can control the speed if you want it to be a breathe, a flash. You can also set a timer or schedule, so you could do it for however you want to go with your schedule, and then that's pretty much it. So very simple, very easy to set up in the app. It took about a minute to set these up fully. Like I said, there's 3 methods to control it. You have the control box, you have the 24 key remote, and then you have the app. An area that is well placed. This is in a very good area if you want to put it in your home theater or something. make sure that microphone is faced towards the speakers and not hidden away, because it'll be kind of bad. And then make sure, like I said, the receiver is pointed to the remote and it's visible if you want to use the remote. And then if you want, this part is optional, if you want the on and off switch to be in a good place, you can have it there. The only two complaints with this is the power adapter is too big for its size, but I think I will work with that. And then the other one is that these are a little bit too hard to undo. Like, I just did it super easily right there, but it's still harder to undo. They're just really good pair. So see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.